Hey, I'm Ryan with One of Discovers, and today we're going to look at some Tesla floor jack pads that you can grab on Amazon. There's a bunch of different ones for them. I'm going to be honest, it is completely stupid that you shouldn't jack up your Tesla without these pads, but unfortunately, here we are. So you can see a couple of these in the description. These ones are the Chirano jack pads, and I'm just going to show you what they have here. When I first got these in, they absolutely reeked, so I would highly just leave them outside for a little while to air out. But you basically get this nice little carrying case where you can put anything else in here. If you want to put any other like tire utilities in here, like a pressure gauge or anything like that. But you can see that you have 4, and basically it looks like a hockey puck, and you could probably just get away with using a hockey puck, honestly, with a jack. But you have 4 of these. There's basically a hole where on the jack positions of the Tesla, you basically push this in, which I'll show in a second. Mainly got these to keep in the car in case of any situations where you would need to jack up the car to replace a tire, or during inspection when they need to check the tire, the ball joints or anything like that, or any sort of other service, including like a tire rotation if some shops don't have them. So it's just sort of handy to have around and keep in the car. So I'll go ahead and show you now kind of where they fit in. I hope that helps. So I'm here with the front tire. We got the plug here. If you go underneath, you can see there is a jack point. You could easily kind of use a hockey puck, but if you grab one of these, it fits right in the hole. Then you can easily use the car jack over here, and there's one of these around each area of the wheels, the front and back. And then when you want to take them out, you just pull them right out, and they're stuck in there pretty good. So I hope that helps show off kind of the feature of why you need these. Unfortunately, it's just absolutely stupid that you even do need to get these, but here we are. And if you were in a pinch, you could probably use like a hockey puck, something like that. The issue is, the whole bottom of the Tesla is mainly just a battery. So you got to be extremely careful to not jack up on the wrong area, because you could totally damage that battery. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will link a few Tesla jack pads in the description. Thanks.